welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, you're welcome. And if you've been a subscriber to this channel, you're welcome. Please like and share. Today, I want to share with you how to make akara. You can join me, so let's get started. You can remove anyone that is floating, and after that you wash immediately. Don't soak it for a long time, else it will be hard. So I'm done washing, and I'll leave it in the water for some hours. It's soft now. Just add onion. It is good to add pepper after grinding so that you don't have a different taste. Also, you can use your processor or your blender, but I prefer grinding outside. See you later. You can see the paste is so thick. Just a little water was added, so it's so thick. And as you fry it like this, your akara will not soak much oil. But you can add water if it's too thick. When you fry one, you test it and see if it's too thick, you add water. Depends on what you want. Some salt here. Mix very well for air. Add a lot of oil here. This is Akara. You can use pap to eat it, or you can use pap with it. You can use bread. You can use oats as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.